Everybody's saying AI is killing education. But here's the truth. Education has never been stronger. The real story? It's the death of services, not the death of schools. Let me show you why. First, look at the numbers. In 2025, U.S. colleges grew 3.2% in enrollment, hitting 18.4 million students. Undergraduate programs grew even faster, up 3.5%. In Georgia, public universities saw 6% growth in just 1 year. Online education, worth almost $100 billion this year, with nearly 10 million students enrolled in at least one online class. This isn't collapse. This is growth. Classrooms aren't dying. Universities aren't shutting down. Education is alive, adapting, and thriving. So if schools are growing, what's really dying? The services. All those expensive middlemen students used to rely on. Chegg, CourseHero, Quizlet. Paid private tutors. Basic subjects. Foreign language translators, Grammarly and writing apps, citation generators, EasyBib, etc. Flashcard apps, Cliffs Notes and Spark Notes. Test prep companies like Kaplan and Princeton Review. Homework, help forums, paid essay services, textbook solution manuals, language learning apps, basic level. Paid math solvers, Symbolab, Mathway, paid proofreading services, resume and cover letter writers, note-sharing platforms, study group coordination apps, student productivity tools. AI does all of this. Faster, cheaper, and often better. And students know it. Take Chegg as an example. Subscribers dropped by 31% in a single year. Revenue fell by 30%. They just announced layoffs of 22% of their workforce. That's nearly 250 people out of jobs. Why? Because students don't need a $15 subscription for homework help anymore. They have AI, available 24/7, personalized, and often free. Think about it. Chegg costs $15 a month. Quizlet Plus, another $10. CourseHero, $20. Grammarly Premium, $12. Kaplan Test Prep, hundreds of dollars. Multiply that across millions of students worldwide. That's billions of dollars every year that used to go into subscriptions. Now, thanks to AI, students are saving all that money. Whoop, whoop! This isn't just convenience, it's financial freedom. But let's be honest, killing services isn't painless. Chegg laid off nearly a quarter of its employees. Musk's XAI cut 500 data annotation jobs in education support. Freelancers in tutoring, writing, translation, and editing are already reporting fewer gigs. That's tough. These were real jobs, real people. So yes, the death of services is painful, but it's not the death of education. It's a shift. Society has to help people adapt. Because while one set of jobs is fading, new ones are emerging. AI tutors, AI integrated teaching roles, instructional designers, and more. And here's the key. AI can't replace schools. Mentorship matters. Teachers aren't just content deliverers. They inspire, guide, and challenge. Credentials matter. A degree still opens doors in the job market. Community matters. Universities provide labs, teamwork, and networks AI can't replicate. Adaptation matters. Schools are already using AI to personalize learning, support research, and expand access. Education isn't obsolete, it's evolving. So next time someone says AI is killing education, tell them this. The real story? It's the death of services, not the death of schools. AI doesn't make schools weaker, it makes students stronger. AI isn't the enemy, it's the student's best friend. And that's a future worth leaning into.